friends and welcome to Learning with Rishita with me, Rishita. Today we're going to learn how to make a chocolate brownie with only 4 easy ingredients that you get just at home. So let's just take a look at the ingredients. First we need milk, which is half cup of milk. Then we'll be needing 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. It's a little bit lesser. Then I'll be putting 15 ml of butter, which is 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to put 1 cup of biscuit crumbs. It's a little bit lesser than 1 cup. I've used Unibic biscuits, Unibic choco chip biscuits. You can use any flavor you like, but if you're using a cream biscuit, remember to remove the cream and then grind it. And then let's start. So first we will put the biscuit crumbs in the bowl. Then add the 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. And we'll first mix the dry ingredients together. After you finish mixing the dry ingredients, it's time for adding the wet ingredients. The wet ingredients are the butter. So I'm going to use 15 ml of butter, which is 1 tablespoon of butter is what I'm adding. And then I'm going to add half cup of milk. I'm going to add the milk little by little, so it becomes a smooth, moist batter. Continue mixing thoroughly until you get a nice chocolate color. As you can see, some milk is left, so don't put all the milk together at once, or else the batter will become too runny. So you can have a look at the consistency of the batter. That's pretty good. Now I have greased the cupcake molds with oil. You can also use butter. So we have to pour our mixture in the cupcake molds, and I'm going to make 4 delicious brownie cupcakes. So put little mixture in each of the bowls. Don't pour a lot of mixture, as in the oven when you put it, it will rise. This is a very easy recipe that any child can do by themselves, but you just need adult supervision with this. I'm going to fill nicely. If you don't have cupcake molds, you can use any baking tin or anything that you have at home. It's not necessary that you need to use cupcake molds with themselves. So I have added the batter in all 4. Now it's time to go to the oven and preheat it. So let's go. So I'm preheating the oven now. Now let's meet after the oven is preheated. I have preheated my oven in 180 degrees Celsius. The cupcakes are in the oven now, and you have to allow them to get baked and rise up for at least 20 minutes. As you can see, the oven is set for 20 minutes. So, meet you after the chocolate brownies are baked in the oven. See you! Hello guys, welcome again, and now the brownies are out of the oven. The oven is cooling down and the brownies are right here and they look so awesome. But just don't dig into them, they are very very hot. And removing the cakes out of the oven, compulsory parent supervision. This is such an easy recipe that kids can do alone, but just with parent supervision. Now, I have to wait for this to cool down for at least 5 minutes. Meet you after the period time of 5 minutes. Guys, feast your eyes on this beautiful cupcake that has just come out of the oven. You can see how beautiful it is. And it is so tasty. I'm going to be busy eating this delicious cupcake brownie. It will be very tasty with a scoop of ice cream. If you do have vanilla ice cream at home, please be sure to eat this cupcake brownie with it. Now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. Bye friends. See you in my next video. Bye.